8 reasons why you need to install Microsoft PowerToys. Number 1, if you go to your file explorer and you want to know which file this is but you do not have a preview, it gives you the ability to click on the file you want and press Ctrl space. That should give you a preview of the image that you are clicking on. For example, this image, Ctrl space, that should do the same. This also works for documents. So for example, I've got this txt file. I can click on it, Ctrl space, and that should give me the content of that file itself. So the second reason is text extraction. So on any video, photo, you can extract the text. For example, you can see this is an image. I can just press Windows key, Shift and T. That should open up the text extractor. So I can just highlight the text like this. That has copied all the text on this image. For example, if I open up my Notepad, paste, and as you can see, we've got exactly what was in the image itself. So this also works for videos as well. So if we open up a video here, as you can see, I can press my Windows key, Shift and T. That will give me the ability to highlight this area. And as you can see, it has gotten the text just there. And I can again open up my Notepad if I wanted to and do a Ctrl V. Reason number 3, if you're one of the people who likes forgetting the Windows shortcuts, it also gives you the ability to see all your built-in Windows shortcuts just by pressing the Windows key, Shift, and the / symbol. It should give you all the Windows shortcuts that you need to know, and all of these work with the actual Windows key. So for this to work, you only need to press the Windows key with any of these shortcuts if you ever need to. So for example, if you close this and we press the Windows key with this symbol here, that should bring the actual emojis as you can see from here. So that also helps you to master some of the shortcuts in Windows itself. Reason number 4, if you have a lot of apps on your PC and you want to easily access them, you can easily press the Alt key with space. It should bring this here. For example, if I want VirtualBox, I can easily type in virtual there. As you can see, it's already filtering for me, and I can easily click on the one I want to quickly open it. So that's one of the other useful tools that Microsoft PowerToys offers. Reason number 5, it also helps you to find out which softwares or apps are using the file you're about to use. I think we've all gotten that message, no, this file is in use. This also helps you to figure out which programs are using that file. For example, if I play this right now, I'll just pause it here. Then I minimize it. If I try to delete it right now, it should give me this warning saying something is using that file. So it has a built-in tool that allows you to see which program is using the file, and it can easily give you a command to easily stop it. For that, you just need to right click on the file itself. Then you want to scroll all the way down to where you see what is using this file. Click on it, and that should figure out which program is using that file, and you can easily stop it or close it just by a click of a button. So as you can see, I've got these two things that are using the file, so I can easily click on end, and as you can see, that has ended there. Same thing here, I can click end. So now, meaning whenever I want to delete this file, I can easily delete it because now nothing is using the file itself. Reason number 6, if you're one of the people who do designs and you want to quickly copy a color from anywhere, for example, here on the page, I want to copy maybe any of the color, or you've seen a color elsewhere or somewhere that you want to easily copy, it gives you a built-in color picker. And for you to access it, you just need to press the Windows key, Shift and C. As you can see, it should start giving you colors. As you can see from here, same thing, I can see here, anywhere I want to, I can easily search for the color. Then once I am happy with the color found, I can easily click, and as you can see, to give me that specific color here in the hex code itself, RGB and the like. So I can easily click copy if I want to use that color. Reason number 7 is a quick accent. So let's say you're typing in a document and it has got these type of characters or letters. So the easiest way you can do this with Microsoft PowerToys is that you need to click the letter. Immediately you click on it, you want to press the arrow keys, either the back or the front. It should give you these options here. So for example, I can do that and it will give me that character. Same thing on E. Immediately I press E, I press the arrow key. As you can see, now I've got options to choose from like that. So this is one way you can use Microsoft PowerToys. And for reason number 8, let's say for example you're using a calculator and also you have maybe a spreadsheet open and you want to do your calculation, but every time you are typing here, the calculator disappears. So Microsoft PowerToys has a feature code always on top. So what I can do is bring up my calculator like that. Then I can put it wherever I want to put it. Then I just need to use a shortcut, which is Windows key, Control and T on that particular element or software or app that I've opened, as you can see here. So now whatever I do, it will always be on top of everything, as you can see from here. So meaning I can be using it while I'm doing something here on my spreadsheet without it disappearing from here. And if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more PC tips. See you in the next video.